Replacing the skid shoes. Warning: this is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Customers are encouraged to wear safety gloves when performing any maintenance. The unit comes with 2 skid shoes, one on either side of the auger housing. Over time, these will become worn and will need to be replaced. Tools required. You will need a 13mm wrench. Let's get started. Always remove the batteries before doing any maintenance in or near the auger housing. Tilt the machine back so its weight is resting on the handles. The skid shoes are held in place by 2 bolts. Remove the nuts and washers using a 13mm wrench. Remove the old skid shoe and replace with the new one. Slide the skid shoe to the desired position. Put the washers back on and tighten the nuts. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.